In this video, I'm going to show you two free tools that I use for Amazon KDP that will save a lot of your time. And in my KDP journey, I used so many free tools, but these two tools especially that I used for a long time, and until now I'm still using them because they are efficient and they are really saving my time. So in this video I'm going to show you these two tools, and they are both completely for free. So the first tool is DS Amazon Quick View, and as you can see, it gives you details about the Amazon product without clicking on the product. So just when you hang the mouse over the product, for example in this, it will show this product information like this, or as small as like this. So all these details: AS number, publisher, the language, the number of pages, the item weight, the dimensions, the seller ranking, and the best seller in the categories, and the reviews. Of course the reviews are here from the beginning, but also this one, especially the ranking, because if you don't have this tool, if you want to know the ranking for these books, for example, you must click on it, then go down until you find the ranking right here. So it's bestseller rank 49,000. So instead of clicking and going down to see the product details, these product details will be shown just from the Amazon search page. So I know the product details for this book, for this book, for this book, for this, immediately, very fast, and this will save you a lot of your time, especially when you are looking for a niche. For example, the criteria of the competition was successful, it was 1,000 or less, then you want to look at the ranking so you can know the demand on this niche. So by these product details, you can find the ranking very easily. And by the way, the ranking is right here. So 7,000, 4,000, 20,000, 49, very, very fast. And this will save you a lot of time. So just go to Chrome extension and download DS Amazon Quick View. Just type DS Amazon on Google and add it to your Chrome. Of course, I have added it, so you will, if it's in your Chrome, you will find remove from Chrome. So this is the first tool. And also another thing that you can know from this is the product details. You can know if it's independently published book or not. So for example, this book is not from KDP, independent publisher, and this one also as well. This one also not, and this one independently published. So when you see independently published, that means that this book is published from Amazon KDP and it's sold by Amazon. So it's not FBA or some libraries arranged with Amazon. No, it's from Amazon itself, like what we are doing. And other useful details that shows is the categories. So for example, I made a book, for example, about question a day journal. This is a niche and it's a little bit competitive, but I have published a book about this, and I'm still typing the title, the subtitle, and the KDP 7 keywords, and I wanna add this book to a category because Amazon asked for that. So what can I do? I search question a day journal, then I look here for the categories for the competitors books. So it's included in journal writing, self-help, happiness, self-help, motivational self-help, and this one as well. For example, guided journals, creativity, journal writing, self-help. So you can find the category very easily and fast just from the Amazon search page. So it's very useful. If you don't have it, please download it and you will thank me on the future for the time that it saved. So this is the first tool. The second free tool is AMZ Suggestion Expander. So this is also an extension on Chrome. Just add it, and what it does all of these. So for example, let me search about coloring book. These suggestions are all from Amazon itself, but this column, which is keywords before, and the green one, keywords after, and others, the gray one, this is all from AMZ Suggestion Expander. So this is very useful for your KDP niche. When you want to find a niche that's profitable very fast for free, this is the best strategy by AMZ Suggestion Expander. So for example, let me say that I want to create a logbook for example, but I'm not sure in what niche I choose. So let's just type logbook instead of only limited keywords here. Logbook for truck driver, notebook for business, binder for office, pilot for diabetes, for truckers hardcover. Only these 7, 9, 10 keywords. You can find another 40 keywords here, another many niches. So for example, exercise logbook, blood pressure logbook. So let me see, blood pressure logbook. As you can see, only 1000 results, and immediately the rankings 11,000, 18,000, 74, 64. So all the first 4 books are below 300,000. So this is a very profitable niche. So the demand is very high and the competition it is a little bit low. So this is a very good niche. How I found it? From AMZ Suggestion Expander, from these suggestions. So you can find so many niches just from these two, and it goes until here. So look at all of these niches. And by the way, for example, if you go to exercise logbook, it's only 268 results, very low competition, and the ranking are very low. So that means high demand and low competition. This is perfect. 1000, 12,000, 1000, 3000, 7000, 1000, 1000. Look how the rankings are very low. So how can we find it? From these two. And if you dig for a niche, for example, this niche, for example, it was very competitive. Just find a mini niche from this sub niche, and also Amazon will suggest another keywords. So yeah, so it's like this. So this will save you so much time and make your niche research a way easier. So please download it if you want to save a lot of your time. It's free, but by the way, there is a pro version. I think it shows here the search or something like this. I'm not sure, but the free version is more than enough, or you can download the pro version if you want. It's free, it's up to you, but the tools that I use completely for free, and they saved me a lot of time, and I think they will save your time as well if you use them. So thanks for watching, see you next time.